no mystery.
A civil emergency message has been issued for the continental United States and the District of Columbia until further notice. At 11:35 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, has reported a widespread failure of the nation's 911 emergency call network. At this time, emergency calls are not going through. Hazard, nationwide 911 emergency service outage. Source, Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, and National 911 Office. Impact, this is a critical situation. Individuals are unable to contact emergency services via the 911 system. Locations impacted include the entire continental United States, Alaska, Hawaii, the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, and all U.S. territories. Precautionary preparedness actions. Do not attempt to call 911, as your call will not go through. For all emergencies, proceed directly to the nearest police station, fire station, or hospital. Your local emergency responders are still active and on duty. The 911 office is working with service providers to restore the network. Regular phone calls and cellular service may still be working, so use these to contact friends and family. Stay tuned to local broadcasts and EAS stations for additional information and the all-clear message.